Hello everyone, welcome back to the course Python for Machine Learning, Deep Learning and Data Science. In the last video, we have already discussed how to download and install Python into our system, and I have also run our fast Hello World program using Python. I have told you there is another way of writing efficient and structured code using IDEs. So, in this video, my plan is to show you how to download and install these IDEs. My plan is to use two IDEs throughout the course. One is PyCharm and another one is Jupyter Notebook. So, here PyCharm gives these many features like code editor, interpreter and debugger using a single platform. Within code editor, PyCharm gives features like syntax highlighting and auto completion of the code. Within debugger, PyCharm gives features like checkpoints. Debugger means debugging is the process of identifying error within the code. Suppose you write a code and you are supposed to see whether there is a error or not. The process is called debugging. And within build automation tools, it gives features like virtual environment and package management system. And Jupyter provides these features, and it is basically a interactive Python environment. Means you write the code and immediate next you will be able to see the output. Suppose you write a portion of code and immediately next you will be able to see the output of that particular portion of the code. So we will see how to download and install PyCharm. To download PyCharm, we have to go to this website. This website will help us to download PyCharm. So first let's check our system has PyCharm or not. So here in the search bar, let's check PyCharm. Here it is the executable file only, not the application. So it ensures that our system has not PyCharm. So we have to download, click download here. So here it is PyCharm Professional. We are not going to download this one because this one is not free. We have to scroll down and we have to download this PyCharm Community Edition because it is purely free and it's open source. So here we have to check our architecture. So then click here download. So it will redirect to the download page. Here you have to click save. So here I am not going to download because I have already downloaded the executable file here. So I have to close this and go to the downloads. Here I have this PyCharm community executable file. Then I have to open it, run as administrator. Then you have to click yes. After that you have to click then next, then check this, then click next, install. So as it is being installed, we have to wait for some times. Then click run PyCharm edition, community edition, then finish. Then go back. Here it's opening. Then skip import. Then create a new project. Then it is create the project in this directory, but I want to create a project on my desktop only. So here I am going to select desktop, then OK. Here under desktop I want to create a folder PyCharm project, then custom environment. So here we are not going to create a virtual environment. We will see what is virtual environment in future. Select existing. Here we are selecting the existing interpreter, then create. After that, it will create a PyCharm project folder here. When we will open this, under this there is nothing. Then we have to create a new Python file here and give the Python file name as fastprog.py. So after that, it will create a .py file here. So here it is the text editor where we can write our program. We can write here hello world. Then we have to click run here. So this is the console where the output will be shown, and it is the code editor. So by this we have downloaded the PyCharm and also installed and run our first hello world program. So PyCharm also, as we discussed, PyCharm also give a features like code completion. For that we have to create another example. I have to create another data structure. Then here we are assigning the value to the data structure. List is a Python data structure, and list data structure have some inbuilt function. So when you write like this and dot, it will suggest, it will recommend you all the built-in methods. So you don't require to memorize these methods, but in the previous writing methods we have to memorize all the methods, built-in methods, to write the code. So by this, if you click any of this method, it will complete the code. So by this we have finished the downloading and installing process of the PyCharm IDEs. Now let's discuss how to install Jupyter Notebook. So for installing Jupyter Notebook, we have to go to this website, and this website will guide us how to install Jupyter Notebook. So yeah, create a folder named as Jupyter Notebook. Then open this folder, open terminal here, go to the website, select this to install Jupyter Notebook, then paste here, click enter. It will install the Jupyter Notebook. Then run Jupyter Notebook IDE by paste here, click enter. It will open the Jupyter Notebook within a web browser. So within Chrome web browser, it's opening the Jupyter Notebook. Then click here Note New. Here it is the code editor where you can write your program. Here is hello world. Then click run here. So now by this we have successfully installed the Jupyter Notebook and run our first hello world program. Let's see, as we have discussed, it is a interactive IDE. Let's see another example. So we are taking the help of ChatGPT. So here give the command like give Python example for scattered plot. So it will give us the scattered plot example using Python. We have to copy this and paste here. What it will do, it will create scattered plot for us. Then run the command, run this. then here it is the scattered plot. So it is basically interactive. Here you give the code and immediately next you will get the output. So this is the interactive features of the Jupyter Notebook. So this interactive IDE will help us in machine learning and data science work. So then again let's close this. By this we have finished our lecture, that is how to download and install IDEs into our system. So thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned to my channel for more updates.